Oh hey, I didn't see you there. I'm just making money from my phone. And that was unbelievably cheesy, but let's talk about 5 of the laziest ways that you can be making money from your phone. And the only thing that is truly lazier than making money from a computer, which, so much work, I know, getting up, having to sit at a desk, is making money from your phone, because you can be just literally laying in bed doing this. You could also be doing this on a laptop too. And some of you might be thinking, well, this girl is going to be talking about stupid ways to be making money from your phone, such as apps like Google Opinion Rewards. And while that is a real way that you can be making real money on your phone, you're not going to be making a whole lot of money. I know people that have downloaded this app, and I know I have talked about it in past videos saying that this is a legit way to make money, because it is a legit way to make money, but it's not a good way to make the most bang for your buck, if that makes sense. Now, let's talk about the criteria that makes something a lazy way to make money online. The first criteria we want to meet is all of this can be done from our phone, hence the title of this video. The second thing is it needs to have the possibility to make a lot of money. I don't want you guys to be making just a few cents here and there while you're spending hours and hours of working. And I'm even talking about ways to be making money online from your phone that have the potential to turn into a full-time income. And then lastly, hence the title of this video, again, this has to be a lazy way to make money online. Meaning I want all of these to be sort of passive. So if you put in this work once, I want you to profit off of it for years to come. And now I think we've covered all of our points, so let's just get into the first way. And the first way that I have is going to be promoting a high payout partner product. And this is essentially where you find a product online and then you promote this product, and when you promote this product and people buy this product, you make money from these sales. And you might be thinking, well, that's just affiliate marketing. And while you are correct, I want you guys to be doing affiliate marketing the smartest way that you can be doing it, which is going to be promoting these higher priced products. And what you can do here is you can sign up with any affiliate marketing website, and one that I would suggest is Digistore24, because this is where you can find these higher priced products. And on Digistore24 as well, you will be getting a higher commission rather than if you signed up with an affiliate marketing place like Amazon. For example, my YouTube channel talks all about making money online. So if I wanted to go on Digistore24 and to find a product that I could promote, it would be a good idea to maybe promote a course that has to do with making money online, for example. And lucky for me, my brother has a course called To Mastery and Monetization where he talks about how to make money with YouTube and just overall how to grow a YouTube channel. If you see where I'm going with this, it would be very, very smart for me to go on Digistore24 and grab an affiliate link for his course. And promoting different high payout partner products such as my brother's course will make you a whole lot more money rather than promoting something from Amazon because of the percent of the commission that you're getting and the price of the product. Let's just say you make a $500 commission on something and you make only 9 sales in 1 month. You would still be making $5,400 in that month. And finding these different products can be super easy from your phone because Digistore24 actually has an app, which I just learned. I thought it was just a website, but it is an app. Now, you might be thinking, well, I found a product that I want to promote, but where in the world do I promote this product? How do I do it? I don't have a following at all. Well, that is going to lead us into our second laziest way to make money from our phone, and that is going to be just setting up a social media account and setting up an online presence. Now, when I say online presence, I don't want you to get scared and I don't want you to think, oh, well, I have to become a whole influencer and show my face online. We don't have to do any of that. So the best way to be promoting these different affiliate products are going to be through social media accounts, and this could be TikTok or Instagram or YouTube even. But with this next lazy method, I want to talk about a specific way to run an Instagram account or a TikTok account, and that is going to be through reposting short form content. When you're starting out with any social media account, you're going to need to choose the niche of your account. For example, like I said earlier, the niche of my account would be making money online. And then you're gonna need to come up with the name of your account. And mine would be Kayla's Cash, which, ooh, fun, cute little Kayla's Cash. And then my brother's would be Make Money Matt. And then I want you to start your account on the platform of your choice. Then you're going to want to do a little bit of niche research. And what I mean here is just researching what is being posted within your specific niche. Maybe let's say your niche is health, or it's beauty, or it's making money online. Don't steal my thunder, just kidding. You can do it, everybody can do it. But let's say we've chosen to make an Instagram account. We go over to Instagram and we search our niche. I would be searching making money online. And then I would be looking for popular posts. I don't want to be modeling my account off of posts that have only gotten 2 likes, because that would not be somebody that you want to model your account off of, because they aren't showing this immense following with their posts. But I want you to specifically be looking for posts that have around, let's say, 10,000 likes. But the catch here is we want to find an account that has around this many likes, but they also don't have too many followers. And that you might be thinking this is a little bit confusing, but let's say we find an account with under 100,000 followers and their posts are getting around 10,000 likes. We want this account to have around this many followers because they're going to be more likely to do the thing that we're going to ask them to do. And what we're going to do here is we're going to reach out to these different accounts and ask them if we can repost their content. And why exactly would somebody let you repost their content that they put hard work into? Well, it's basically like a free shout out, and it can help you grow your account. Well, it also helps grow somebody else's account because you're giving them credit. And honestly, there are so many different accounts out there that do this, and one that I can think of off the top of my head that I remember literally since middle school is this account that is literally just called Girls. And they have 7.3 million followers, and they basically just repost relatable content for girls created by girl creators. Like literally they posted, "Summer is great, but I'm ready for fall." And this has 24,000 likes. If you're running an account like this, it would also be very smart to promote a high payout partner product, because who knows, you could be the next girls account. And just a warning, you might have to message a lot of people before one person says yes, but once you start getting a following, more and more people will want you to actually repost their content. I would say this is one that is a little harder to start out right at the beginning. However, once you get the account rolling, you're all good. And then you might also find some creators that put in the captions of their videos, "Feel free to repost, but just give me credit." And this is one of the laziest ways that you could be making money from your phone, because all you have to do is basically DM people and pick the niche of your account. And then if you pair this with promoting an affiliate product, you're golden. And now I want to get into the third way that we can be making money from our phone, which is similar to the one that we were just talking about before, but this one is specifically just running an Instagram theme page. So it's not going to be reposting other people's content, but creating your own content. And an Instagram theme page is great because you don't even have to show your face at all. You're just posting pictures that relate to a certain niche, whether it be inspirational quotes for making money online, or it be different beauty products. And recently I have seen this a lot within the skincare world. People just post an aesthetic picture of the skincare that they use, and they don't even show their skin, yet people still buy these products and they're still interested in following these accounts, even though nobody's face is being shown. And I always see a lot of Instagram accounts posting different books and rating their different reads. And then again, to get inspiration within a certain niche, you could just simply look up the niche on Instagram and see what other big creators are posting and kind of model your content off of theirs. And then this is one where I would say consistency is going to be key. If you're posting like 3 times a day, and then maybe you're posting 5 different stories a day and then posting a reel a day, then you might see yourself gaining followers more quickly rather than if you were just posting once a week. Now let's jump into our fourth lazy way to be making money from our phone, and that is going to be with a digital guide. Now a digital guide, in my opinion, is just going to be a lazier way of making a course. Let's say you're interested in a topic. Maybe you're super interested in history and you want to teach people about history, or you have knowledge in psychology or relationships, or again, making money online. If you're interested in creating a digital guide, what you're going to need to do here is pull out your phone, surprise, surprise, and you're going to download Google Docs and Gumroad. And then within Gumroad, you're going to be searching these different skills that you are interested in, and you're just going to see what pops up. Let's say you're interested in psychology. You're going to want to go on Gumroad, search up psychology, and browse the different guides that there are to offer. And a guide is really just a PDF file that you can put together within a Google Doc. For example, you can make a guide on the top 10 workout techniques to build your core strength, Or you could make a guide on 5 different psychology tips to use in your day-to-day life. Now, when it comes to selling stuff on Gumroad, you aren't limited to just guides. You could be selling things like different templates or different scripts and AI prompts. You can really just sell anything on there that consists of any sort of digital product. Lastly, I want to get into the 5th and my favorite way to be making money from your phone, and I would also say it is probably one of the most profitable ways that you can be making money from your phone, and that is going to be with a YouTube channel. But not just a YouTube channel where you sit down and show your face. Now, you could do this if you want to do it. I'm doing it. There's no problem with it. Or I know a lot of people, if they clicked on this video, they want a lazy way to be making money online, and they would consider getting ready and sitting in front of a camera. They would consider that not lazy. And this is where we are going to be making an anonymous YouTube channel, meaning we don't have to show our face. Just like creating something like an Instagram account or a TikTok account, you're going to want to pick a niche for your YouTube channel. And you want to make sure you're picking a niche that is getting a lot of views. You don't want to pick a niche that there's no demand for. Once you know which niche you're going to go with, you're going to want to search this niche up on YouTube and see which channel is one of the most popular channels within this niche. And then we're going to take this information on over to a website that is known as TubeMagic. And TubeMagic was actually bought by my brother, and he did this because it is an AI software that can immensely help you run a YouTube channel. And although it is not an app quite yet, you can still pull it up on your phone if you're just on something like Safari or Google. And within TubeMagic, it's actually one of my favorite features is you can find any big creator and you can take these different channel names and plug them into TubeMagic, and TubeMagic can generate video ideas based off of the content of the creator that you provided. And then you can even take that video idea and turn it into a script all within TubeMagic, and boom, you have a whole video concept. And then all you need to do next is either create a voiceover or do an AI voiceover or hire somebody else to do a voiceover for you, depending how lazy you want to get. And then you can take the script and bring it on over to a place called invideo.ai, and this is where you can put your script into this software and it can turn it into a video for you. You could literally take a picture of Harry Styles and make him dance around and make him look all silly. Now, if you don't want to stick with InVideo, you don't have to. You could do this work manually, and you could find different stock photos and videos and do all that. You know what? Be creative. Be creative. Just kidding. If you want to be lazy, I don't blame you. But one of my favorite free video editing softwares is going to be CapCut, and they also have an app on your phone as well. But literally in a matter of seconds, you could have a whole video put together depending on what types of AI tools you are using. And then the next step is going to be creating your thumbnail, and you can do this very easily with a website such as Canva, and there's a whole lot of templates that you can use on there, so you don't even really have to use your brain there. Now, the next step is going to be very important. We are going to take this video and this thumbnail, we are going to post it to our YouTube channel, but the catch here is we're going to be posting it to our channel as unlisted. Now, we are going to do this because we are going to take the link to share this video from this unlisted video, and we're going to plug it into the TubeMagic software. But once you put this link into TubeMagic, it will create you an optimized video title, tags, and a description. And then something that I would suggest is maybe posting on your YouTube channel around 3 times per week. And this is something that I recently started doing. It got kind of slow. I got kind of slow with the YouTube channel, and I wasn't posting a lot. But I found once I started posting 3 times a week, my views and my subscribers started going up, up, and up. And to make this even lazier, once you get your YouTube channel running, you have the potential to start making money from your YouTube channel, whether it be through promoting different affiliate products or sponsorships later down the line. Or maybe you even get to the point where you become part of YouTube's partner program. Once you get to this point, you could start automating the YouTube process by hiring different people to do different parts of your work for you, such as editing the thumbnails or maybe writing the scripts. However, when you're using a software such as TubeMagic or even ChatGPT, that already automates the YouTube channel process a whole lot. And for example, let's just say your niche has a $10 RPM. That would mean you're making $10 per 1,000 views. But needless to say, you can be making a pretty good paycheck from YouTube. But it's always very important to pick a niche that has a higher RPM rather than a niche that has a lower RPM. And an RPM is just essentially how much you're going to be making per 1,000 views with your channel. And honestly, with all of these different methods that I talked about today, you can start combining them later on down the line. So you could get started with a YouTube channel and then start promoting different affiliate products. And then you could create an Instagram account. And I would say, in my opinion, maybe the best way to start making money online would be through running a YouTube channel, whether it be an anonymous YouTube channel or a YouTube channel where you're showing your face. However, I have a video for you guys right here that will teach you how to make money with a YouTube channel without even having to make videos. And it's basically going to be a free course right here, and make sure to click on it because honestly, when I watched this video, I learned a whole lot about YouTube and the algorithms and just how to overall run a YouTube channel, because again, this is like one of my first YouTube channels. I do have very old YouTube channels out there, don't find them. But with Kayla's Cash, I've been really trying to grow this channel, and this video has helped me immensely. So make sure to check it out, and we'll see you guys there. Bye.